Alright guys, today I want to talk about the Sg700. You'll see this funny logo here. But this drone is pretty cool. It comes with a remote, which I was not able to use. The only way I can fly it is by using a mobile phone. And let's see, it uses this app here called the H-Fun app. And you sort of have to calibrate it and then start it off. And I'll show you guys how that works in another video. But in the meantime, I want to talk about flying this thing. If you're going to fly it indoors, it's very, very loud. And if you're going to fly it outdoors, I highly recommend you put the prop guards on, because if this thing falls from a very, from very up high, it's not like a glider, it's not like a plane. It won't just sort of come down gently. It'll just slam down, and then it will get wrecked like most drones do. And I did that with another one earlier today, and one of these bent. I think maybe with the plastic and not the metal ones, it may not get as damaged, but I wouldn't risk it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where I try to fly the drone.